Cheers.
Oh, hey, you know the berry one? Not bad.
Not bad, right?
Oh, you actually do have one.
I have one what?
You got a little, like a setter. Kind of.
Oh, there's behind you. There is a little cup holder.
Yeah, something like that.
Well, it's about all it does, I think. Just a little compartment.
Are you recording?
I am. Kind of cool because a lot of these houses up here started as cabins. So you can kind of see how, you know, the little old shacks they added on to over the years or whatever, you know.
Right.
Nice, man.
They did it little by little, you know?
Now what they're doing, they're people buying up the old cabins, they knock them down and build a huge shack, yeah.
Yes, they are. I mean, there's got to be more lakes up north where like there's nothing going on, right?
Oh yeah.
It's like around here. Close
Yeah,
by.
yeah.
There's like
You don't
can still build.
you don't gotta get far.
I mean, for the most part, you could live off the grid at one of these if you really try.
What, in a little lake? Oh yeah. Yeah. There's people doing it.